In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view two-page in Adobe Acrobat. If you're working with brochures, books, or any document where pages are meant to be read side by side, the two-page view in Adobe Acrobat makes a huge difference. It lets you see a spread at a glance, compare content across pages, and get a more realistic reading experience. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. When the app launches, you'll land on the home screen. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a panel that highlights your recent files. This section is handy because it saves you from browsing through folders. Take a moment to glance through the recent list and locate the PDF you want to open. When you see the right file, simply double-click it to open it in the main viewer. With your document open, shift your attention to the bottom right corner of the Acrobat window. This area contains the viewing controls, including zoom and page display options. Here, you should see a small control showing 1:1, which represents actual size viewing. Click that 1:1 control. Depending on your version and layout, it may reveal additional view choices or sit alongside the page display buttons. From the options that appear near that control, choose two-page view. The document will immediately reflow so you can see two pages side by side. This is perfect for layouts designed as spreads and for comparing content across adjacent pages. You can still zoom in and out as needed, and your zoom level will apply to both pages in the spread, so things remain consistent. If you scroll and prefer a continuous reading experience, look for the option called two-page scrolling in the same area. It keeps the two-up layout while allowing smooth vertical navigation, and if your first page is a cover, you might notice that it pairs with the second page. There's a setting called Show Cover Page in two-page view that ensures the cover stands alone, and subsequent pages pair correctly, which can make spreads look more natural. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see the controls at the bottom right, try widening the window or checking for hidden toolbars. You can also use keyboard shortcuts like Control or Command plus the plus or minus keys to adjust zoom quickly while staying in two-page view. That's it. Open Acrobat, pick your recent file, click the 1:1 control at the bottom right and switch to two-page view. You're all set to read and review your PDFs the way they were.